Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install an app from the Microsoft Store. So if you are using a Windows laptop or computer, you can search for a certain app that you want to download in the Microsoft Store. And here I'm going to show you how you can tap on the start button and you'll see Microsoft Store. So you can just tap on the Microsoft Store. Okay, let's enlarge it first. And in here, you can always explore which app that you want to download to your computer. There are game apps, top free apps, top free games that you can download. For example, I'm going to download Netflix in here. You can click on the app that you want to download. And in here, you can just click on this get button to start downloading the app. Okay, now it's still getting ready. Still preparing to download. And now it's installing or downloading. Almost done. Now you can just tap on open. And so this is the app that I've the Microsoft Store. And that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.